Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move your dock to the left or right corner of your Mac's window. So let's see how we can do it. So it's really simple. What you need to do is you need to open the system settings for that. So you can click on your Apple logo on the top left corner and then click on system settings option from here, or you can also find the system settings icon on the dock. Once system settings window opens, you need to search for this option which says desktop and dock, and here you will be able to see the option to position your dock on the screen. Right now by default bottom is selected. When you select left here, your dock will move to the left hand side of your screen. If you choose the right here, your dock will move to the right hand side. If you want to just restore it at the bottom, then your dock will move to the bottom of your screen. So this was a very simple video about how you can reposition your dock on your screen on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.